Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the Dollar General 3-day sale, which begins today on May the 26th and runs through Saturday, May the 28th. Plus, we have a huge glitch to talk about. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright, first up, during this 3-day sale, we're going to have the Raid Ant and Roach Killer. They're going to be on sale too for $9. Next up, we have the Repel Insect Bug Sprays. They're going to be on sale for just $5. Next up, we have the True Living Ultra Paper Towels 6 big rolls. These are normally $7, but they're on sale for $6.75. Plus, we have a one-off one digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $5.75. And we also have a sale on the Brawny Paper Towels 2 double rolls. These are normally $5 each, but they're on sale right now, 2 for $8. Next up, we also have a sale on the Scott Bath Tissue 100 sheet 8 count rolls. So these are normally $8, but they're on sale right now for $7.25. We do have a one-off one digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $6.25. And don't forget, right now we have an instant savings going on for the Scott products. So when you spend $15 on Scott brand products, you're going to instantly save $3 at the register. Keep in mind, this instant savings will end on June the 11th. But here's y'all a deal that you can do this week up until Saturday. So if you guys want to take advantage of that instant savings plus that sale this week, here's a quick little deal that y'all can do. Pick up one of the Scott 1000 sheet bath tissue 8 count at $7.25, one of the Scott bath tissue 12 count priced at $5, and one of the Scott paper towels 6 count priced at $5.95. And that's going to bring your subtotal to $18.20. That $3 in instant savings will come off first at the register. That's going to bring your new subtotal down to $15.20. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So you're going to use your 3 off 15 DG store coupon if you still have one of those available, the 1 off 1 Scott bath tissue, the 1 off 1 Scott paper towels. That's going to leave you paying $10.20 out of pocket. But the deal gets even better because right now on the coupons.com app, we have a 1-off-1 manufacturer coupon for the Scott bath tissue. Now, if y'all noticed in that scenario, we only used one 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Scott bath tissue. We still had a second bath tissue that we did not use a manufacturer coupon on. So you're going to submit your receipt to the coupons.com app. You're going to get back $1. And that's going to make your final price $9.20 for all 3 items, making those $3.06 each. Now, I do want to go ahead and throw this out there that I will be including this deal in with a 5 off $25 scenario for this Saturday at DG. So if you guys want to hold off and save your coupons for them, we can probably get a better price per item. But again, just throwing it out there, you guys can definitely do this deal up until Saturday as well. Alright guys, moving on into our next item, we have the McCafe ground coffee cans, 24 ounces. These are normally $9.50. OMG at that price. But they are on sale during this 3-day sale for just $5.95, so this is a great deal. Alright guys, next up we have another really good food item on sale during this 3-day sale. We have the Santia's tortilla chips and the Baconets pork rinds. I know I'm butchering those names. I do apologize, but they are on sale right now, 2 for $3, making those $1.50 each. Alright, next up, we have another really awesome deal on the Ritz Cheese Crispers. They are on sale right now, 3 for $3. They're normally $2 each, but the deal gets even better because right now we have a 1-off-2 digital coupon. So picking up 3, that's going to leave you paying $2 for 3 boxes. Alright, next up, here is a sale that I told you all about in the Good Deals and Glitch List video. We have the Lay's chips or the Cheetos. They are on sale this week, 3 for $6, making those $2 each. But I found a glitch and the deal gets a little bit better. So if you want to stock up on some chips and you still have that 3 off 15 DG store coupon, here is an awesome deal. Now y'all can do this as a pickup order for sure. I'm not sure how it's going to work out at the register, but if anybody tries it, please come back and let us know down in the comment section. So if you want to pick up 6 of the Lay's or Cheetos chips, that is going to put your original subtotal at $21.60. And just like I showed you all in the last video, that sale will apply plus that 3 off 15 DG store coupon. That's going to leave you paying $9 for 6 bags, making those $1.50 each, which is an awesome stock up price considering these bags of chips are normally like $5 each. Crazy prices right now that we're dealing with, guys. So take advantage of these sales and glitches. All right, next up, another really awesome deal we have going on with this 3-day sale. We have the Fanta Mellow Yellow and Barks Root Beer 2 liters. These are normally $1.50 each, but right now they are on sale for 85 cents each when you purchase 3. So if you want to go into the store, pick up a total of 3, that's going to only be paying $2.55 for all 3, and you can mix and match. All right, now let's get into this huge glitch that I think a lot of y'all will be excited for. We have the Fanta Barks Root Beer and Mellow Yellow 2 liters. Again, they are normally $1.50 each. What you want to do is pick up 10 as a pickup order. That is going to put your original total at $15. Again, as a pickup order. Then that sale is going to be applied where there are 85 cents when you purchase 3. Plus, you want to use that 3 off 15 DG store coupon. That is going to leave you paying $6.10 for 10 2 liters. So major stock up on the 2 liters right now with this glitch. Now, a couple of quick notes with this glitch. Again, this is as a pickup order only. I have not been able to confirm whether it will work at the regular register or not. It is literally like 6 a.m. my time, so the stores aren't even open yet for me to try it out. But if any of you all try it at the regular register or the self-checkout and you want to come back and let us know how it worked in the comment section down below, that is always greatly, greatly appreciated. Now, the second thing that I want to note on this glitch, this is how I would do it. I would go ahead and go to the store, see exactly what they have in stock, and put in my pickup order as I'm standing there. That way, you know exactly what they have. They can't cancel your order because of one item being out of stock. Again, y'all can mix and match. You can pick up a couple of the root beers, a couple of the mellow yellows, a couple of the Fantas. They should have different colored Fantas available. So it just depends on what your store has in stock. But I will go ahead and go to the store, place my order while you're standing at the store. That way you know exactly how many they have available to pick up and your order cannot be canceled. Then once you place your order, you could nicely go up to the manager or the cashier and say, hey, I just put in a pickup order a few minutes ago. Do you have any idea when that would be ready? So y'all just be patient and kind. I know in my area, there's not a whole lot of people who put in orders as pickup orders. They just go into the store and pick up what they need and check out at the regular register. So my cashiers and managers are not normally checking for new orders throughout the day very often. So just be nice about it. Say, hey, I just put in a pickup order. Do you have an estimated time when that would be ready? Or can I help you out? Can I go ahead and throw all this stuff in a buggy for you and you just kind of run it through the system as a pickup order? Would that work? Something like that. Just talk to your cashiers. Be nice about it. And like I said, go ahead and go into the store and make sure that they have the exact number in stock of what you want to include in this glitch. Now, if you really want to stock up on some 2 liters for this summer, here is another way that y'all can do this deal. Again, it just depends on how much your store has in stock. So you can actually pick up a total of 12 of the Fanta Barks Root Beer or the Mellow Yellow 2 liters at $1.50 each. That's going to put your original subtotal at $18. So the sale will apply plus that 3 off 15 DG store coupon. That's going to leave you paying $7.20 for all 12 2 liters, again making those 60 cents each. So again, a great deal either way you want to work it. And like I said before, just make sure that you know what your store has in stock and available so that your pickup order does not get canceled. Alright guys, so there you have it. There are all of the items that are included in this 3-day sale going on at DG, which begins today, Thursday, May the 26th, and runs through Saturday, May the 28th. Now y'all keep in mind you can include some of these sale items in with your 5 off $25 scenarios because that sale will not end until the end of the day on Saturday. Now, just as a quick reminder, I have already uploaded 2 awesome videos this week with a ton of awesome deals. So, just in case y'all missed it, I did upload a 3 off 15 daily deals video where I go over several different scenarios with food items. Plus, there is a super low out-of-pocket deal included in that video, which is going to leave you paying 65 cents out of pocket for a ton of items. Plus, earlier in the week, I did upload the Good Deals and Glitch List video with even more deals. We have awesome sales, coupon matchups, and rebates. So if you missed out on either one of those videos, I'm going to leave both of those linked in the pinned comment down below, and you should definitely go and check them out. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, but make sure that y'all stay tuned because I will have the 5 off $25 scenarios video coming up tomorrow. So before you go, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, set your notifications to all so that you don't miss out on any deals. Hit that thumbs up button for me because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. Leave me a comment down below, let me know how y'all are doing today, and please take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.